What in the world does that sound?
Well, today in the garage, we're going to be working on this crazy ticking sound in my Explorer. It started about a month ago, and everything seems to work fine. But when you turn the car off or when you turn the car on, coming from the dash, it's behind the glove box. Not sure what it is, but we're going to find that out today. So let's get into it.
Key out. Somewhere in there. We're gonna find out what it is.
All right, let's start by taking this glove box out. Okay. A little tensioner here, clip. All right, what's that? We got some stops here. Oh, that gives quite a bit of room in there. Where could it be? Oh, this thing right here. I can feel it.
Huh. Okay, that's the part.
No. I can't get to that top screw. So this needs to come out somehow. This piece here. Just don't know how. Well, that's nothing. Okay. There's 3 screws under the bottom here for the door. That has to come out. Okay. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's 7mm screws that need to be removed. Alright. Alright, that comes off. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3. How did I miss those? To remove the glove box, there's these 2 little plastic pins that go that way and that way, right here. Thing just clips. There it goes. It just clips. Oh, this piece. Screw there, screw there, screw there. There's 4 screws there. Okay. Well, I just took the little glove box latch off, or hook, or whatever you want to call this, thinking there might be a screw to hold this in, but there is no screw behind there. So no need to take that off. But there's got to be more screws along here. There's got to be. There we go. So that trim piece is off. And sure enough, there's some screws right there. Okay, now. Nope, not yet. Oh, well, there you go. It's just clipped in. All right. Now this is a sucker. It needs to come out. Let's just try this again. Yeah. Just unplug it. Okay, let's see if it does it again. Yep. That's definitely the issue. Now. Oh, they tricked us. I think it's an 8mm here. What? Oh, I grabbed it. Let's see here. Let's go with the 1/4 inch. Ah, no. Looks like it's an 8mm. I'm trying to avoid going back into the garage, but it looks like I have to go back into the garage. Yep, 8mm. Okay, now what does that say? No debris shall be allowed to fall into the blower motor housing. That's what it says there. Okay, that's good. We don't want debris falling in there. Okay. Well, here's the motor. Ford Motor Company. Let's see if this moves. Let me get a bigger screwdriver. Okay, let's see if this thing turns. Oh yeah. What does this do? That's fresh and recirc. Let me just see. Pretty sure. Fresh recirc. Okay, well, there it is. There's the new part. Not quite the same on the package. It's AA5Z here, or Z, but it's the exact same part number as the old one, and that's the old one. So let me put that away so I don't get confused. Plug it in and see what happens. Let's hit the recirc button. Okay, that's recircing. Or that's the recirc. I guess it just continues and continues to spin until it comes to a stop, like a mechanical stop. Okay, it stopped. Like it's going around a full revolution or two. So yeah, it's gone almost 2 full revolutions, and that's. And I hit fresh air. Okay, so it's going the opposite direction, which is right. So it must go around and around until it times out, because there's nothing stopping it. And if it was installed in its proper spot there, it would lock up and stop. All right, there goes this piece. Make sure everything's clear. Glove box has these little hooks, and then this slides through that into a pin in the on the car. So this should be simple. So right here there's 3 hooks. That goes on there. All right, that seems like it fit. And now these things. Well, that was easy. Okay, let me show you. And that's where the pins go in. Somewhere in there, just like that. Now don't forget this thing. This is the, I guess the shock absorber deal to hold the glove box from slamming open. This will slow it down. So that has to clip in into the side of the glove box. Oh, there it is. You need like 4 hands to put that sucker back in there, but it's in there. That's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, last 2 pieces. This just clips on. Like that. And this piece. Shit. That should have gone first. Now that clips in there. Like that. And then this piece. And voila. Done. There you go. That's how you change the dampener motor in a 2011 Ford Explorer. Thanks for watching. Okay, I already taken the glove box apart, and the cabin air filter lies right here. There's two tabs, one there and one there. They have to be like pried out. Let's see if I can do this with one finger. Oh, that was easy, but normally it's not that easy. And there's another one over here. Oh, there. Oh, there it is. Can't be good. It's dirty on the outside. If it's dirty on the outside, I can only imagine what it's like on the inside. So I'm just gonna pry it in here and just slide it out. Oh. Oh, wow. I think it was due for a change. Holy. I've had this for 11 years now, the Explorer. And I remember changing it once before. So that's probably, oh, I'm guessing that is probably 6 years of dirt there. Let me grab the new one. Wow, the new one's much lighter compared to that one. And this one here is an airflow indicator. So there's the airflow indicator right there. So it has to go in that direction. So it goes like so. This feels so much lighter. And it goes in like that. Very simple. Don't force it in. It's should just slide in. Now, and the cover back on there is two tabs go up top, and it should just click in. There it goes. That's it. Cabin filter changed. Now the hard part was getting all this stuff off, but it's right there. Cool. Let me see. Start the car. Radio off. Oh, wow. There's much more airflow now. Huh. Well, I guess that explains it. A clogged air filter would stop all the airflow. But yeah, this is twice the weight of that one. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching.